Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a string, and in our program we'll remove the vowels in a given string using C# programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Sir Ernel, Marshmallow, Ma'am Rubilin, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section and then put shout out. So let's get started. I'm using Visual Studio Express Edition, so I've created here a function static string remove underscore vowel string value. This is one of our parameter var strip from C in value convert to character array, where A, E, I, O, U in lowercase, capital A, I, O, U contains select C, and then we have here return new string strip to array, and then we have here the main static void main, the title of our program, remove vowels in C#. We are asking the user to give a string that will be stored in our variable given underscore str string, and then it will display given string, and then we call the remove vowels here remove underscore vowels given underscore string, and end of program, and then console key to display. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Let us run the program. Vowel, remove vowels in C#, give a string, information, technology. So we have here the given string, information, technology, remove vowels. We have the result and a program. Another example, technological University of the Philippines, Visayas. So we have here the output, now the given string, Technological University of the Philippines, Visayas, and a program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to remove vowels in a given string in C# programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.